Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Hotspot for your Huawei Nova 9 SE, but it also works the same way on your Huawei Nova 9 and Huawei Nova 9 Pro. And let me show you how to enable it. You need to go to your settings, mobile network, find personal hotspot, click on it, and from here enable it right here. So let me get you through all of the settings available right here. And the first one, we have device name, which we can change, and it will basically just show this name to other devices when they'll be connecting to our network. So let's call it something like network, and press OK when the name is set. The next option is to change the password, and you simply just need to create the password with at least 8 digits. So let's make it simple and set it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press OK to save it. The last option in this section is to connect devices, and you can see if you press all connected devices to this network. If we press on the more, we have 2 more settings which we can also change. So the first one is mobile hotspot turn off timer, and if we press on it we can change it to 5 or 10 minutes or even never. If you set it to never, your network will be running all time until you disable it manually. If you set it to 10 minutes, it will just disable after 10 minutes. The last option here is to enable Bluetooth tethering, and it just works as a Bluetooth network. You connect other devices via Bluetooth and they will have this network connection. So now, after I explained all of the settings, I can show you how to connect other devices to this hotspot. So here I have another phone, and in order to connect to this network, we'll need to find enable the Wi-Fi and find this name in our Wi-Fi list. So it's a network right here, and now we need to enter the password, which is just from 1 to 8, and press connect. So as you can see, we're connected. Now in order to disconnect, just press on this arrow right here, scroll down and click on forget network. The other way to connect is to scan this QR code, and you simply need to press on this scanner icon on your Wi-Fi list and hover over your QR code like that. And as you can see, it's connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.